Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are doing well at your respective places. I'm again with you to, to solve a problem of the variety of sentences. Variety of sentences की प्रॉब्लम है. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को बहुत मुश्किल लगता है कि एक सेंटेंस को अलग अलग ढंग से कैसे लिखा जाए. If a student learns this art of writing one sentence in many different ways, he is more likely to score better in writing, especially in writing task 1. So in this particular video, I'm going to discuss with you how to write one sentence in 11 different ways. How we can write one sentence in 11 different ways. एक sentence को 11 टाइप से कैसे लिखा जा सकता है with the same meaning. एक ही मीनिंग, सभी का एक ही मीनिंग होगा. And I can assure you one thing, if you learn these well, then you would be able to write more effective way. So the information is 150 million tons. 150 million tons wheat है. wheat अमेरिका के अंदर इन 1999 में प्रोड्यूस हुई है. मतलब अमेरिका में 1999 के अंदर 150 मिलियन टन wheat पैदा हुई है. So we will write this sentence in 11 different ways with the same meaning. Let's start with the first one. First, the easiest one. America produced 150 million ton wheat in 1999. So this is one thing. America produced 150 million ton wheat in 1999. Second, the wheat which was produced by America in 1999 was 150 million ton. Second, so the meaning of this and this is the same. The wheat, गेहूं, which was produced by America in 1999, जिसको अमेरिका ने 1999 में प्रोड्यूस किया, was 150 million ton. वो 150 million ton थी. Okay. Third, 150 million ton wheat was produced by America in 1999. 150 million ton wheat was produced by America in 1999. Fourth, the amount of wheat, the amount of wheat which was produced, by the USA accounted for accounted for 150 million tons. The amount of wheat which was produced by the USA accounted for 150 million ton. So all these four sentences have one meaning. Let's move on to the fifth one. America had 150 million tons wheat production in 1999. Its meaning is also the same exact meaning. America had 150 million wheat production in 1999. Sixth, there was 150 million ton yield. Yield and production is the same thing. Yield of wheat in America in 1999. So its meaning is also the same. Seventh, the productivity of wheat. The productivity of wheat. Production, synonym of production, productivity of wheat in America stood at 150 million tons in 1999. It also has the same meaning, the exact meaning. Eighth, wheat production or yield. You can use one out of these two. Wheat production या wheat yield was least or maximum. Least or maximum ये आप तभी लिख सकते हो अगर ये least है, सबसे कम है, या फिर सबसे ज्यादा है. एंड ऑल्सो मेंशन इन ब्रैकेट, यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट में मेंशन भी कर दीजिए, लिख दीजिए क्या 150 मिलियन टन्स इन अमेरिका इन 1999. ये सेंटेंस आप तब लिख सकते हैं अगर वो लीस्ट है, सबसे कम है, या फिर सबसे ज्यादा है. एंड मेक श्योर यू राइट द फिगर हेयर इन ब्रैकेट. आप वो फिगर जो 150 मिलियन टन है वो ब्रैकेट में लिख दें. एंड नाइन्थ, इन द इनिशियल year or final year or in the mid year, you would be able to write this one. अगर ये पहले साल की बात है तो इनिशियल ईयर लिख दीजिए, अगर पहले साल में ही है. अगर ये लास्ट ईयर में है, बिल्कुल लास्ट, फाइनल की जगह आप लास्ट लिख सकते हैं, तो लास्ट ईयर में, या फिर मिड में है, एग्जैक्ट मिड में है, तो क्या लिख सकते हैं, इन द इनिशियल ईयर, इन द फाइनल ईयर, या इन द लास्ट ईयर और इन द मिड ईयर. The total production of wheat की जो total production है in the USA में was 150 million tons. वो 150 million tons थी, which was second to none. मतलब जो पहले नंबर पे थी, जो किसी से भी दूसरे नंबर पे नहीं थी. अगर दूसरे नंबर पे है मतलब इससे ज्यादा कोई और भी है, तो फिर क्या लिखना है, which was सेकंड टू चाइना, विच वॉज सेकंड टू चाइना, मतलब सिर्फ चाइना इससे आ गया, दूसरे नंबर पे ये है. So these are 9. So let's go for 10th and 11th. 10th, the quantity or amount, you can use 1. The quantity or the amount of wheat which was grown, which was not produced, grown in America was 150 million tons in 1999. So you can replace the word quantity or amount and you can replace the production by grown in America was 150 million tons in 1999. And the last one, 150 million ton wheat production, 150 million ton wheat production or yield was observed. It is written in passive. It is written in passive, was observed in America in 1999. So these were the 11 ways of writing one sentence into 11 different ways. ये थे एक सेंटेंस को 11 टाइप्स अलग अलग ढंग से लिखने के तरीके. I hope this information would be really very useful. What you should do to take the full advantage of this video, इस वीडियो की full advantage लेने के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? The very first step is watch this video from one end to another end with careful attention. One thing. Second, note it down in your notebook. Note it down in your notebook and then see the difference between these sentences and then use them in your own writing. And when you would write 3 or 4 times, then you would learn them by heart. And after that, you would be able to write them of your own. फिर आप खुद ब खुद लिख पाएंगे. I hope this information would be very helpful for you. So if you like the content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like this video, and also subscribe this channel if you are new to this channel. Bye. See you later in the next video.